What's up, family? This is your boy Ivan Hall, the Credit King. Should you refinance with the same lender? One of the most important decisions for every person refinancing is to choose who to refinance with. To select the correct lender, like any financial product, it's crucial to shop around and understand your personal goals. If you're considering refinancing to access home equity or adjust your loan conditions, check with your existing mortgage lender to see what they may offer. Is it possible to remortgage with the same lender? Yes, you may generally refinance with the same lender from whom you obtained your original loan. However, bear in mind that our mortgage lender is the company that originated your loan, which may or may not be the same as the current servicer. Some mortgage administrators, the people you submit your monthly payment to, do not originate their own loans, so be sure you're dealing with the correct type of institution. Suppose your mortgage is being held by a bank or loan origination firm. In that case, they may be able and even willing to offer a favorable rate or conditions on a refinance, even if another lender originated the loan. Is refinancing with your present lender preferable? If you're only interested in the lowest possible rate, searching around as much as you have time for is the best way to go. Find the best rate and terms and see if your existing lender would match it, but be prepared to go elsewhere if saving money is your first concern. Most lenders want to keep their clients, and preserve that relationship. They really want to keep servicing their customer's loan. That implies your present lender may be prepared to match a competitor's cheaper rate. However, looking around is generally the best method to get the greatest deal. Consider this: if you don't shop around, you won't know whether your lender is providing you with a competitive bargain. The benefits of refinancing with the same lender. Application simplicity: they may already have some of your information on file. Payment convenience: you won't have to learn a new method of logging in and paying your mortgage. Account consolidation: if you already conduct all of your banking at the same location where you get your mortgage, you'll have fewer accounts to manage. Advantages and disadvantages of refinancing with the same lender. You might not obtain the greatest available interest rate. You might not obtain the best rates. You may not be able to obtain the best loan terms feasible. In conclusion, if you need to refinance, there may be some advantages to staying with your present lender. To maintain you as a client, your lender may waive part of the refinancing charges. Even if you like to stay put, it's a good idea to look about and see if you can get your mortgage holder to give you a lower rate by offering some competing offers. Some lenders even have customer retention specialists on staff who may assist you in obtaining a better offer. For more credit tips, credit hacks, and credit repair secrets, subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit us online at thecreditking.com.